So students, here is the diagram. It is the internal structure of the leaf. It is showing the presence of chloroplast in the leaf where the photosynthesis occurs. Okay, क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो है वो ऑर्गेनेलीज हैं सेल की ग्रीन प्लांट में, जिसमें कि क्लोरोफिल होती है. इफ़ यू सी दीज ग्रीन डॉटेड मार्क्स, दीज आर द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. ओके, और इसमें क्या है, क्लोरोफिल रहता है, मीन्स क्लोरोफिल होता है वेयर द फोटोसिंथेसिस, इट इज़ द साइट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इन द सेल ऑफ लीफ. ओके, सो क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो हैं वो लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप से आप देख सकते हो. ये लीफ का स्ट्रक्चर है. इसमें देखो लीफ के स्ट्रक्चर में क्या है, आउटर जो लेयर है, आउटर लेयर ये क्यूटिकल है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, क्यूटिकल. क्यूटिकल के नीचे इफ़ यू सी इट इज़ अपर एपिडर्मिस, इट इज़ अपर एपिडर्मिस एंड इट इज़ लोअर एपिडर्मिस, राइट. एंड क्यूटिकल इज़ here also. In both the side the covering is cuticle, and in inner to this wall there is upper epidermis and lower epidermis, and in between upper epidermis and lower epidermis there is one layer of palisade tissues. Palisade tissues are there where you can see a lot of chloroplasts. Okay, and here is the spongy layer. In between this lower epidermis and palisade layer there is spongy layer, and this palisade layer and spongy layer, it is the site where many chloroplasts are there, right. Green leaf may contain these collectively these two layers are called mesophyll. Okay, it is called mesophyll, and this is the site where more than 100 or more than 1000 of chloroplasts are there where the photosynthesis occurs, right. Okay, and here if you see these are the guard cells. We have already discussed about stomata on the surface of leaf, so it is the stomatal pore, and here are the guard cells, right. So this, from this stomata the carbon dioxide goes inside this portion, and here in the chloroplast the photosynthesis will take place, and whole process will occur here, and oxygen will release in this portion. So it is a cross section part, it is a microscopic view of a leaf. Again here is cuticle, it is upper epidermis, it is palisade layer where the dotted portion you can see these are the chloroplasts in the palisade layer, and here it is spongy layer of the tissues, and together collectively these two layer, palisade and spongy layer, these are called mesophyll, right. These two layers collectively it is called mesophyll, right. A typical photosynthetic cell you can say, and it may contain more than 100 or 1000 of photosynthetic cells, right. And carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis goes through this stomata and diffuses into the mesophyll cells and reaches to the chloroplast. It will diffuse, carbon dioxide diffuse through the mesophyll cells and will reach to these chloroplasts, these dotted portions. And water, already in previous lecture we have done, will be given by the xylem. Xylem vessels will pass the water, will help the upward movement of the water and give it to the leaf where the photosynthesis will take place. Okay, and there is thin waxy protective layer, cuticle above and below the leaf, which helps to reduce the loss of water from the leaf because it is shiny and it is waxy.